Okay, so it's been a while since we did an EdPuzzle, and I thought maybe we could just do a real quick one to kind of, recap everything that we've done this week and kind of just put a nice big bow on it before we do. We've got 2 sections left. We're going to do something called irregular polygons, which is actually really simple, even though it sounds complicated. And then next week, we're going to do circles and how to find the circumference of circles. I won't get into too much of that here because, well, it's a whole new lesson. But we're looking at a test next week, which we will do that in class for those of you that are here, and the remote people, I'll set something up for you to do remotely. All right, so big overarching theme here, perimeter, add up the sides every single time. It's that simple. The only thing that gets complicated is when you have a side missing, you have to find the missing side. So here we go. Okay, add them up. Perimeter is 7 inches total. All right, this one here, same thing, find the perimeter. Perimeter is 60 feet. Perimeter of this one is 20 yards. This next one I believe is slightly different. Yep. If you notice, there are a couple of missing sides. I think you can figure this one out. Notice the marks on the opposite sides. Perimeter of this guy was 120 feet. Okay, this one you're working backwards. I've given you the perimeter and I've left out a side. Your job is to find the missing side. In this case, it was 13 inches. Same thing here. You've got the full perimeter. You need to find the missing side. Missing side was 32 yards. Okay, last one like this. Big shape, so make sure you don't overlook one of the sides here. Find the missing side GH. It was 16 feet. All right, moving on. These are the ones that we did yesterday. Take your time. You have to set up and find the missing side and then go back and find the perimeter. So this actually has 2 answers. Okay, so you should have set this up with the C value missing. So 3 squared plus 14 squared equals C squared. All right, 3 squared is 9. 14 squared is 196. So that is 205. Is that right? I'm gonna double check my 14 squared there. Oh, 196. Okay. So the square root of 205 is 14.3. Where's my answer? Okay. So your missing side was 14.3. Add up the other sides to get the perimeter. .3 inches. Okay, again, 2 parts, find the missing side, then find the perimeter. Okay, so for this one, you should have set up the A or B value was missing. So I'm going to do B just because last name's Blumenstock. Okay, work that out. I'll save you the boring details here. Where's my answer? I have my answer hidden somewhere. There we go. Your missing side. Anyway, missing side was 9. Add them up to get the perimeter. The perimeter of this one should be 36. Okay, last one. Find the missing side, so set it up as B is missing again. Okay, B value ends up being 6 feet. Perimeter, add them all up, 24 feet. Okay, be careful on these. When you take a square root, a lot of times you will get a decimal. Make sure you are rounding that to the nearest tenth, not just cutting it off after the tenths place.